Assalamualaikum and good morning guys.
Salam sir.
Okay. So for today I will do a short briefing with you guys regarding your lab 1. And then I have a video on how to use a Tinkercad and then with the min-term and max-term solution lah. I understand you have used Tinkercad before during your workshop, betul tak? Or am I wrong? Dah pernah pakai tak Tinkercad?
Belum sir.
Tak pernah pakai?
Tak pernah.
Pernah sir.
Okay, so
Ada yang dah kot.
Okay, ada yang pernah, ada yang belum. But dekat sini saya ada sediakan satu soalan lah. Okay, ni Tinkercad tutorial ni ada 2 question, 1 dengan 2. Lepas tu bawah ni berkenaan dengan min-term dengan max-term ni. Saya ada share dekat sini dia punya solution. Tapi dalam bentuk video lah. Okay, so you can use this video for your reference. Okay, so most of it awal-awal ni saya terangkan cara nak gunakan Tinkercad tu lah. Mana ya? Okay. Right. Okay, so ni software Tinkercad tu lah. It is online. You masuk guna web, but you have to register as student. Then they are free. They are free, then you can use them for construction lah. Okay, and then last ni sikit saya ada buat. Okay, I also discuss about the min-term dengan max-term ni. Okay, so min-term dengan max-term ni basically it is part of SOP dengan POS punya tutorial. Cuma saya termiss topik tu hari tu masa tutorial 3 tu. So saya masukkan dekat sini tutorial Tinkercad and min-term max-term solution is here. Solution dalam bentuk video, so you can use them for those who has no experience in Tinkercad and yang dah ada experience pun. Okay, you can try to follow my video, the solution here. Tutorial Tinkercad and min-term max-term ni. So that you are able to create your lab later on, because your lab will be using Tinkercad. Okay, so now we move on to the lab. So let me find my okay, so lab 1 questions I have already uploaded here. PDF ada, Word pun ada. So maybe that you will be needing the Word version because you need to write down all the answers in there lah. So I'll brief to you about your lab 1. So this is a 30% assessment. So tinggi ya, 30 markah. So please put your maximum attention on this assessment lah. The deadline is on the 1st of April before 5 PM. So tambah tolak hari ni, you have approximately 2 minggu lah untuk hantar. Okay, 1st of April. So lebih kurang 2 minggu, 13 hari untuk you complete lab 1. Right? So you have to perform this assessment individually. It is an individual assessment, meaning that you have to do it by yourself. It is okay if you while designing your circuit, you discuss with your friend. Tak ada masalah. But when you are starting to do the construction of your circuit, you have to do it by yourself. Because submission is personally. Tak boleh buat in groups. And obviously you have to answer everything in English language lah. Okay, so there are 2 tasks. The first one, to conduct investigation on the operation of combinational logic using basic logic gate, 50%. The second one, by using universal logic gate, 50% as well. So pretty straightforward dekat situ lah. Okay, this is your information on DK, DP and A. So you are more into the DP. So nanti you baca sendirilah berkenaan dengan well-defined problem solving ni, because your assessment here, lab 1 here is regarding problem solving. Okay, so this is basically the introduction. You please do read this by yourself. Okay, this is just an introduction on what you have learned and what topics will be related to this assessment. And then this assessment, Tinkercad is required by the students to perform all construction circuit investigation. Okay. Right, objective, you have to recognize the basic operation of logic gates and construct the truth table. Number 2, to select any specific implementation of K-maps or the 12 Boolean algebra rules and or De Morgan's theorems to obtain the simplified Boolean expression. Alright. Number 3, to assemble using logic gates. Number 4, to assemble using universal logic gates. Okay. Alright. So regarding this universal logic gates, I think you have already learned in your Boolean expression punya notes. And I also have shared with you the tutorial, tapi nantilah, sekejap lagi lah. After this, I will discuss with you regarding the remaining tutorials. So the equipment or software that you will be needing for lab 1 is tinkercad.com lah. It is online software. Register as student and you may use them for free. Okay. So this assessment, this lab 1 is a soft copy punya version lah. It is a online version assessment. You don't have to come to the labs. You can do them by yourself in your room, in your house, by using only your laptops or computer. Okay. So you have the first procedure here. This is the circuit given. Write the Boolean expression of X. Dapatkan expression X ni apa? X equivalent to A bar, B bar, plus dengan darab dengan apa? Darab dengan apa? Sebab semua ni N. And then this is the O. O meanings tambah. And then you dapat dia punya Boolean expression in terms of SOP, sum of product. Okay, and then you have to make sure you use the variables A, B, C, where A will be treated as MSB, MSB, C as LSB. Okay. So tulis dekat sini. Kalau betul, you will get 4 marks. And then state the mean term expression for Boolean expression from task 1. Whatever you obtain here, right, rewrite them in terms of mean term. So yang ini ada dalam tutorial yang saya share tadi tu. Okay, this one, solution of mean term dengan max term, ada dekat dalam tu. Alright. Okay, and then by using Tinkercad, so this is where you'll be using Tinkercad, construct and simulate the combinational logic circuit shown in figure 1. So you kena construct this whole thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 gates you kena guna. So macam mana nak guna? I already shared an example dekat dalam samalah. Okay, dekat dalam ni tutorial Tinkercad ni, dalam video ni saya ada tunjuk cara nak pakai dia. So you may refer to that video on how to use Tinkercad. Okay. Okay, so what do you have to use? You have to use IC. Okay, means that 7408, you use 7408 is for AND gate. So untuk AND gate pakai 7408. Dekat sini saya ada share lah 7408. That is the data sheet for AND gates. 7432 is for OR gate. Lepas tu NOT gate pun ada, but you have to find it yourself lah. Easy, just find here OR gate and NOT gate. Data sheet. Then you akan dapat lah 7404. So from here you will get the, okay, macam ni lah 7404 punya data sheet. So macam mana dia punya, apa connection dia, which pin is input, which pins are output. Okay, so that is for data sheet lah. Dalam ni saya tunjuk 2 je, sebab ini saya ada buat contoh dekat dalam saya punya solution ni. Okay. Okay, so use your digital ICs, power supply, DIP switch, and LED to complete the circuit construction in the mentioned software. So attach the following documents. So what you have to do, once you dah siap buat circuit you snap satu gambar overview of the complete circuit construction. So saya tunjuk dekat sini. Contohlah ini yang ada dekat, ini saya dah terangkan dekat dalam video Tinkercad tu tadi. So you boleh refer dekat situ lah. Example, okay, contoh this is the circuit yang you buat lah. Contohnya this is your circuit. So what do you have to screenshot and paste them on your lab is, the first one is this whole thing. Semua gambar rajah ni. Snapshot, okay, macam saya buatlah snapshot. And then saya suka paste dia dekat paint and then copy. And then saya letak dekat sini kata, okay, overview of the complete circuit construction. So saya letak dekat sini lah. Okay, so this is the overview of my circuit construction. Okay, and then here meaning that if you are able to show this one and the connection is correct, then you will get full marks. And then pictures of the complete circuit with the generated output for every input combination, arrange them to be in ascending order. So ini once sudah ada output, contohnya macam ni lah. Okay, mana saya nak buka. So this is the circuit yang saya design tu lah. This is the circuit that I've designed here. Bukan dekat sini, dekat Tinkercad tadi. Okay. So this is the circuit, which is this one. Ada dalam video, don't worry about them, you boleh check nanti. And basically how do I check the output is from this truth table. Macam mana nak dapat truth table ni, I have already explained in the video. So this video, this one, the solution for Tinkercad and midterm MSM ni is very important. So spend some time. The videos is about 42 minutes. So please go through this video on how you'll be able to understand them and to answer your lab 1. Kalau you tak tengok video ni, you might not be able to complete your lab 1. So tengok video ni, alright? Okay, so once saya dah ada table ni, saya boleh test. So bila nak test, saya kena pakai software lah. Software yang banyak sangat sama. Tinkercad. Okay, so the second part of the question tu dia nak setiap possibility of input punya output. Means that when it is 0, 0, 0, it will not be lighten up. Dia akan kosong. 001 dia tak menyala, 010 dia tak menyala, 011 dia menyala. So you kena tunjuk tu setiap satu lah. So for example this one, this is, saya kena start simulation dulu. So this is 000. Kalau on ke bawah on maksudnya kita tolak switch tu ke bawah. Kalau switch tu ke atas dia off. So dia 0 lah. So 000 LED tak menyala. So 000 the LED is turn off. So saya print screen. Saya dah buang lah pula tadi. Pin. So saya letak ni dekat dalam saya punya. Okay, this is for 000. Okay, and then saya kena yang kedua 001 pula. 001 saya cuba kat sini lah 001. Still tak menyala, betul tak? So check pula kat sini 001 tak menyala. So betul. So Allah dah terpadam terus. Tak ya guys. Okay, and then 001 dia tak menyala. So tak menyala, 001 tak menyala. So betul lah. Then what I have to do, sama juga screenshot and then masukkan okay, masukkan dekat sini pula 001, masuk screenshot 001. Okay, instruction dia memang kena ascending order 000, 001, 010. Okay, masa bila dia jadi menyala 011. So kita check betul tak 011 dia menyala. Tengok dekat LED ni ya. Okay, so LED menyala. So screenshot do whatever lah. Kalau you nak screenshot boleh, nak apa snapshot dekat Word pun boleh. Contohnya macam ni saya tunjuk cara nak snapshot. Okay, katakan 011 tadi menyala kan. Saya skip lah 001 dengan 010 ni. 011, so saya nak snapshot. Goes to insert, screenshot. Lah saya kena make sure dia dekat atas dulu. Okay. Okay, saya go to screenshot, screen clipping. Saya boleh terus masuk macam ni pun boleh. Dia terus ada dekat sini. Okay. So bila 1011 dia menyala. Tadi dia tak menyala, gelap. Okay, yang ini first overview, just screenshot dia gambar circuit. Lepas tu you kena buat output of each of the combination input lah. So dekat sini basically how many screenshot yang perlu. Kalau kita tengok balik dekat soalan, saya buang lah semua. Okay, so this overview dekat sini ada satu snapshot. Satu picture lah saya letak. Okay, dekat sini mesti ada 8 picture. So how do I know there are 8 pictures? Because you have 3 variables A, B, C. So you have the possibilities of input of 000 up until 111. So 000 is 0, 111 is 7, 0 until 7 ada 8. So you kena tunjuk setiap satu lah. So sini ada 8 picture, sini ada 1 picture. Alright, so that is for 1C. Okay, so total marks 20 for this one. So make sure you concentrate on this one lah. Yang ni tadi 2 markah, yang ni 4. Lepas tu ini guna K-map nak dapatkan simplified boolean 4 marks. So use your K-map punya simplification untuk dapatkan boolean expression. Once dah dapat simplified boolean expression tu, pakai juga Tinkercad untuk design the circuit. Same, ada 1 dekat sini, ada 8 dekat sini. Because they are still the same circuit and still using the same truth table. So masukkanlah kat bawah tu gambar. Ni pun 20 markah. So 20 plus 20 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2, 50 marks. Untuk task 1. Task 2, by selecting any specific implementation of 12 Boolean algebra rules and or De Morgan's theorem, simplified this Boolean expression. Okay, simplified ini menggunakan Boolean expression. Tulis dekat sini. Betul, dia dapat 5 marks. Then you have to use Tinkercad to construct circuit untuk Simplified boolean yang you dapat kat bawah ni. You dapat kan y kat y sama dengan katakan a tambah b. So buat guna Tinkercad. So ada berapa variable? A, B and C, 3 juga. So means that dekat sini ada 1, dekat sini pun ada 8. Same thing. Okay, and then this one you kena dapat dia punya truth table lah, baru you boleh tahu construction you ni betul. Sebab like I told you, for a simulation or for a construction of digital circuits, how do you know that your circuit is correct is that you are able to prove dia punya truth table. So dekat dalam video saya ada tunjuk macam mana cara saya nak dapatkan truth table daripada diagram ni. This diagram, okay, diagram ni macam mana saya dapat truth table ni from this diagram. Saya ada tunjuk dekat dalam video. So please watch that video. That is a very important video regarding your lab 1. Kalau you tak tengok, saya macam saya cakap lah, confirm you tak boleh jawab. Okay. Mana dah dia? Okay, so dapat truth table. This one ada satu snapshot untuk the whole circuit. Yang ini untuk dia punya possibilities of output daripada combination input. 000 menyala ke tak? 001 menyala ke tak? Sampai 111. So ada sini lah. So this is 20 mark as well. Then the one that you have created in 2B ni, circuit ni yang berdasar daripada 2A ni, convert them by using universal logic gates, either none or no, whichever you prefer lah. Nak pakai none ke, nak pakai no, lukis dekat sini. Okay, then question 2D, task 2D is the construction of these gates yang you buat dekat 2C menggunakan Tinkercad. So samalah. Sini ada satu gambar, sini ada 8 gambar. Then you will get 20 marks. Okay, so 20 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5, so 50 marks for task 2. So 50 marks task 2, 50 marks task A, task 1, you total of 100 marks. Okay, so that is your assessment yang pertama lah, lab 1. Okay, so bila submission nanti, make sure semua ni berisi. Okay, everything these things fill up with your answers. Dan yang mana perlu gambar ni, snap elok-elok gambar, jangan blur. Snapkan, make sure dia berwarna. Tak apa, sebab you bukan nak kena print pun. You hanya nak kena paste sahaja. Okay, so paste gambar tu biar berwarna. So that I know. Okay, contohnya macam ni kan, bila dia menyala atau tak menyala. Okay. Macam ni dia menyala, macam ni dia tak menyala. Nampak? If you paste them in black and white, saya tak boleh nampak dia menyala atau tak. So bila you, when that happens, akan ada penolakan markah. So make sure you snapshot gambar dia macam ni lah, berwarna-warni. Okay? Jangan buat snapshot gambar black and white. Black and white saya akan tolak markah. I need it to become, I need the pictures to be in color mode lah. Macam saya buat tadi lah, saya snapshot terus letak, tak ada masalah. Ataupun saya screenshot melalui words. Okay, so that is for your lab 1. So submission. Lepas tu isi sekali your assessment cover sheet ni, letak nama and everything. This is the submission date sebelum pukul 5. Okay, tick these things and signature and date untuk you punya submission itu. Okay, so that is regarding your lab. So kita macam ni lah snapshot tu, biar gambar dia berwarna macam ni ya. Baru saya nampak dia punya LED tu menyala atau tak. Kalau black and white, saya tolak markah. Okay, that is regarding Tinkercad, which is related to your tutorial, bukan lab 1. Now I'm going to discuss about other tutorials. Saya dapat angkah ke? Aduh, hai. Okay, so lab is here dekat under assessment, lab 1 ataupun PDF ataupun Word. So yang mana you prefer lah, yang senang untuk you jawab soalan. Submission 1 hari bulan 4. Okay, tutorial Tinkercad. This is the tutorial sheet. This is the solution in terms of video, so you can check them by yourself. Please tengok, go through. Kalau apa mana-mana part yang you tak faham, if you don't understand, if there are any parts which you need me to help you, please let me know. Especially for those who has no experience in the usage of Tinkercad. Siapa yang belum pernah pakai, cuba buat tengok video pun tak dapat, tak faham, please let me know. I will help you to make sure you are able to use the software before you can start your lab. Okay. Solution is here dekat dalam video, and this solution video is very important for your labs. So please spend your time later lah lepas ni, sebab I will end the session sekejap lagi dalam pukul 11. Then you ada another hour of this subject. So I want you to spend that time to watch the solution. Okay, and then regarding the rest of the tutorial, okay, this tutorial is basically 100% related to your lab 1. So please tengok ini. Nak dapat markah yang bagus dekat lab 1, you kena buat this tutorial. This is a special tutorial lah. And then I have already uploaded as well tutorial 4 until tutorial 7, which is regarding Boolean, Algebra, Universal Gate, K-Maps 1, K-Maps 2 and Combi. Okay, so I have understand that you have already been taught up until K-Maps, betul tak? Dari masa lecture, you dah belajar pasal K-Maps kan? Ataupun saya tersalah info?
Dah saya K-Map.
Dah K-Map kan? Combinational circuit belum, betul? Guys? Kombi belum kan? Okay, so there are 4 tutorials here. Basically 3 topik lah. Boolean Algebra, Universal Gates dengan K-Maps ni. I have already uploaded the question here as well as the solution. Okay, but I will not share the solution with you guys yet lah. I will share it maybe later this week. Might be on Saturday or Sunday. Nanti saya akan visible kan untuk you tengok dia punya solution. Okay, contohnya macam Universal Gate ni. Okay, macam mana nak convert dia from this circuit guna AND, NOT dan OR untuk jadi menggunakan NAND ataupun dengan menggunakan NOR sahaja, macam mana cara dia. So I have the solution here for you to refer, but I want you to try first on how to get the solution lah. Okay, so this solution, this tutorial, I will not be discuss them as normally how I did for the first 3 tutorial. Okay, the reason why, because if I need to discuss them personally, meaning that we are going to be needing a lot of time lah untuk kita complete kita punya tutorial. So it is not practical for us. Okay, so you have to try to do it by yourself. Nanti saya upload solution. Kalau you punya jawapan tak sama ataupun whichever part that you don't understand, please do not hesitate to contact me dan tanya saya lah, sir, saya tak faham ni, boleh terangkan ke? So I can help you to make sure you understand. Okay, solution ni saya tak dapat nak discuss dengan you one by one. Boolean Algebra, Universal Gate, K-Map 1 and K-Maps 2. So this 4 and 5 is in terms of writings. Tutorial 6 and 7 in terms of video. Kita tengok macam ni kan. K-Maps 1 ni saya letak video mengenai dia punya solution. Okay, so macam mana nak dapat solution K-Map tu saya ada buat kat sini lah. Okay, so please go through that by yourself. Any questions you don't understand, please let me know lah regarding the tutorials. Okay, because this week basically we need to focus on Tinkercad because that is your lab. Okay, next week might be that kita boleh tengok sikit lah pasal boolean algebra. Tapi saya takut nanti lecturer you dah masuk next topic iaitu combinational circuit. So kalau dalam plan saya nak ajar week 8, tapi week 6, week 5 dah belajar pasal combinational circuit. So saya tak boleh nak delay dia punya ni lah, what we call it, tutorial, sebab nanti yang belakang-belakang ni lagi akan delay. Dia akan backdated lagi susah nanti. So boolean algebra dengan K-maps ni please do them by yourself lah. Okay, solution pun dah ada, nanti saya visiblekan untuk you all dapatkan dia punya output. Okay guys, boleh ke? Is that okay? Should you have any questions? Ada soalan nak tanya berkenaan dengan tutorial, berkenaan dengan assessment lab 1? Kalau ada soalan. Tak ada So kalau tak ada, then I'll share the QR code for you to scan as for your attendance lah. Saya tak suka lah benda kat atas ni. Apa benda ni sebenarnya? Macam mana nak hilangkan dia lah?
So tanda ke saya punya boleh?
Nama?
Muhammad Fakur Razi Ahmad, MU.
Okay.
Thank you sir.
Okay.
Sir, due date bila sir?
1 hari bulan 4. You ada 2 minggu lah lebih kurang nak siapkan.
Sekarang dah boleh buat kan?
So nanti boleh buat sir?
Dah boleh start buat dah. Tapi sebelum start buat tu, tengok dulu video saya berkenaan dengan Tinkercad dengan midterm dengan maxterm tu.
Okay sir.
So benda ni buat personal, individual work lah. Tapi masa nak buat boleh discuss, tak ada masalah. Cuma output kena masing-masing. Okay. Along the way, dalam 2 minggu ni sebelum submit, if you have any questions, any confusion, ada benda yang tak faham, you are welcome to ask me. Okay, you boleh tanya saya, sir, saya cuba buat yang ini, dapat macam ni, kawan saya buat macam ni, dapat macam ni. Macam mana sir, tak sama kan? You can ask me, I will help you, no problem. Okay.
Okay sir.
Alright, so ada seorang tak datang ke? Let me check, 16, so sepatutnya 15 orang lah. Okay. Ini set 16 orang, so 16 dah scan. Alright. Okay, any more questions?
No sir.
Nanti video yang ni saya akan upload dekat sini macam biasalah. Saya update dekat video teaching. Video yang ni lah yang saya rakam ni. Tutorial 4 untuk your group L02 B01. Okay. Okay guys, I think that's it from me for today. Just please proceed with this one. This is very important. Tutorial Tinkercad dengan solution ni. Okay, you have another 1 hour kelas sebelum habis. Bukan 1 hour, you ada lagi lebih kurang sejam 20 minit sepatutnya kelas ni untuk habis. So please spend that time to watch the solution for this tutorial. Okay, once you dah tengok, you dah faham, then your lab 1 will become very easy for you to execute. Okay. Okay guys, I think that's it from me. InsyaAllah I'll see you next week for our next planning lah. Saya kena liaise dengan you punya lecturer. Next topic dia akan ajar apa, dan saya kena terus skip ke that tutorial lah. So saya takut nanti dia jadi macam ni kan. Bahagian boolean algebra tu dengan K-map kita dah terdelay sikit. Tapi tak apa. Tutorial pun saya dah siapkan, solution pun dah ada. So you just need to try them by yourself. Part yang you tak faham, you boleh tanya saya. Okay, so thank you guys. Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Sama.
Thank you sir.